Hi! In front of me is TCL 405 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Bluetooth right away. Following that, tap on gray sweater at the top to activate Bluetooth feature and click on device name. Now just type in wherever you want to and hit the rename button to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!